Welcome to MongoDB Essentials. Understand the basics of MongoDB. My name is Patrick, and I will be your instructor. In this course, I will walk you through the most important parts of MongoDB to get you quickly up and running. We'll discuss what NoSQL means and what are the pros and cons of using a non-relational database like MongoDB. After installing MongoDB, we'll dive into the shell and explore the most used command line functions in order to create, read, and update our Mongo documents. Then, we'll explore the different types of data we can store within our documents. We'll finish up by discussing the various query operators we can use to drill down and extract the documents that we're looking for. This is a beginner-level course and an introduction to the world of MongoDB and NoSQL databases. Lectures will be a combination of PowerPoint slides and examples that you can execute within your terminal window. So I invite you to sign up now for this free course on MongoDB and add a new skill to your toolbox.